Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and welcome again to a triple watch face Saturday. This is number 2. Let's check it out. Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and today we got a very unique looking watch face. I like it. I like the color. I like the layout and the design. Now, the name of the watch face is called DSS Bronze Machine. Like dance machine, like the one that Michael Jackson sung? No, y'all don't know? All right, listen, in Always On mode, you're going to get that traditional watch face look. You'll be able to see your time at a glance. And when the watch face is on, this is where you start to have a little fun at. I really like the layout and design of this watch face, considering that it's free, and all the watch faces that we're going to be reviewing today will be free, so be mindful of that. Now, up at the top, you're going to get the name of the watch face again, and then you're going to get your day and your date. Over here is your heart rate. Over here is your animated seconds, which I really like. Again, I like this layout. And then in the center, you get your digital time. I like the font in that one. Down at the bottom, you get your steps as well. So if I tap on my steps, it is interactive, so I can go in, get my calories burned, my step info. If I tap over here, you don't get your heart rate. What you get is settings. Kind of fooled me at first, right? Then if I tap over here, I can go in and I can get my text messages, or send a text message. In the center, you're going to be able to make a phone call. I don't want to pull it up because I got a last number there I don't want to show. And with that, I like it. Here you get your info on your steps, and here you get the info on your battery. But I like the design in the background. What do you guys think? Is it a download? It's free. I'm gonna say why not. All right, you all, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please, by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.